What's up, guys? Old School Ryan here. 2 weeks left to Eurotripper. Everyone's hustling, everyone's scrambling, trying to get everything done. Out of time. Jorge's car is about done over at Gasper Shop. I have some odds and ends here to do with Black Betty. Hopefully lay down some satin black, get her somewhat show quality. Victor's at home cleaning granny panties. Everyone's got to have some clean granny panties. And Mofongo, who you've seen in previous vids, he's over at DubWorld right now getting a list of mods done to his Mark III Golf as well. It's going to be a good episode, lots of stuff happening like I said. So get ready for today's video of Mid-Florida Locals. What's left on this?
Alignment, and he did an oil change, fresh oil change.
Oil change.
From G60 brake setup, power steering pump, not pump, the rack, which was a pain in the ass because apparently, even though the 3.5 is a fucking third gen, what I know, we in Victor noticed last night, the tie rod ends are 4th gens.
Huh.
So we had to put the old ones back on for this one, and no, they fit in the hole and everything. Everything's perfect. Everything's nice. The only thing is the nut won't, just a different pitch.
Huh.
So as soon as we did that, everything was fine.
Well, speaking of steering racks, I took his advice on the manual rack.
Yeah.
I was like, all right, I'll do the manual rack. So I ordered all the bushings, the whole rebuild kit for the front end, everything. And I pull everything out after everything arrives, and the steering rack's bad.
So what else? The shifter lever was all fucked up.
Shifter rebuild kit.
Got that done.
Short shifter.
Clone header, the 4th gen. Remember the 2 liters? The 99s
ones.
came.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, real nice setup. And it goes on your stock
Pipe.
2 1/4 downpipe, so it's perfect.
Nice.
Because it goes from 4. It goes from 4 to 2. So I don't know. Ask Mofongo. Mofongo, what's your future plans, dog?
Well, for now is
Dating guys. What?
yeah, right. Get some
Yeah, he's done with that.
No more girls or guys.
get some body work done to it, and she was down for a while.
I like those wheels.
Yeah, those are the Schmidt.
Modern 9s?
Yeah.
What size are they?
Those are 15x8. Yeah, 20 offset. Pretty perfect.
It really is a good fit, man.
Oh yeah.
Hope you guys doing good. Us here at DubWorld and Mid-Florida locals, we're getting ready for Eurotripper. Well, got some footage for you guys. Gasper from the body shop got the car, like I said, he already got it painted. The bumpers were painted, everything painted. He had a small little error, but he took care of that already. As we talk right now, he's getting wet sand and buff. So I'm kind of not rushing him because he's doing a very good job. He's doing all our cars and hopefully do our future builds too when it comes to the body shop and painting situation. But yeah, so we all getting ready. Victor has a granny panty ready. She's dropped and everything, VIP status. Ryan is getting his car. I think he already got his air ride in and everything. He's sanding his thing down to get it nice and flat black. Mofongos, Victor of DubWorld took care of that. He put a whole new suspension, brakes, rack and pin, everything, oil change things. So that car is ready to go too. He's gonna go ahead and give it like a little wax and buff. And my car, hopefully, what's today? The Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. So it gives me still a good 2 weeks. I could put it together, put the bumpers on, everything on, get that car detailed, and yeah, man. So I hopefully see you guys out there. Eurotripper.
What's up, guys? This is Victor here. We're gonna wrap this video up. We got Eurotripper right around the corner, and hopefully we can see my Corrado in the next few videos. Well, catch you later, and like and subscribe. Please subscribe.